I have been on the hair health journey for years, especially because I'm in my mid-40s, I'm dealing with hormonal changes, but my hair has always been fine, brittle, and prone to breakage. So I am thrilled that Hairitage gifted me their Length Check Biotin infused shampoo and conditioner, as these really do check all the boxes for what I want in my shampoo and conditioner. Now, I have already used them twice and I'm really loving how my hair feels. It feels clarified, lightweight. Even if I use a lot of the conditioner, it's not a heavy conditioner. It dries beautifully, and I did personally by myself the Hairitage Play It Cool heat spray a few weeks ago, and this is a fantastic heat spray that I have been using with this set and really makes it a well-rounded set. But back to the shampoo and conditioner, I'm just loving them. Now they have a light smell that goes away very quickly. It almost smells a little coconutty, and what is really incredible about these is that they are at an affordable price. The shampoo suds up beautifully. The conditioner is really nice and lightweight, but you still feel it, and it does a great job detangling. But then they have really powerful ingredients in them, specifically biotin, Jamaica black castor oil, and marshmallow root. And those are all working together to help your hair be stronger, healthier, and let you grow it out without the breakage. On top of that, this is a very clean product. All of Hairitage products are, and they are free of sulfates, phthalates, parabens, silicone, gluten, mineral oil. They are also cruelty-free, vegan. You can use these on colored hair, and they are dermatologist tested. So just fantastic all around. Now I'm going to be using these moving forward because I really am loving what they are doing for my hair. And if you've been on the hunt for a really nice shampoo and conditioner set that just feels really good and gives you exactly what you want for reaching your hair care goals, I definitely think Hairitage is a great option. Obviously, I can only talk to my hair type, but they do say that this is for all hair types, specifically straight, wavy, curly, and coily hair. And I love that it's made in the USA as well. So if you've been on the hunt, I hope this video helps you make a decision.